we are going to take you through step by step how to create a pie graph. First of all, highlight the data that you want to make a graph of, excluding titles and totals. Click the Insert tab and then find the pie chart icon. Select the drop-down and choose the look of your pie chart that you want. Bring up the Chart Design tab. Open the Select Data option. If your data is not displaying how you want it to do, select the Switch Row/Column option. Next, edit the titles. Start with the horizontal axis label by selecting Edit and then highlighting the options. To edit the series data, select Series 1, select Edit, and then select the appropriate one. Repeat until all the series data has been filled in. Next, you'll want to add in titles. A pie graph will have less options for titles, so make sure that you have a chart title and any data labels that you can put in. If you select Data Callout, it will show a percentage. Once everything's labeled, have a look at some of the layout options. These will also show different ways of displaying percentages in your pie graphs. If you're happy with your pie graph, save up, or you can move it to a new chart. To do this, select the Move Chart and then place it in a new worksheet. Make sure you give that worksheet an appropriate title.